In this video, I'm going to walk you through copy.ai, a smart AI writing platform that's built for marketing, business content, and automating your repetitive writing task. But here's the twist. It's not just another chatbot. Copy.ai takes things a step further with tools specifically built for content teams, agencies, and even solo founders. If you're a freelancer, marketer, or a startup founder looking to speed up your content workflow, this one's definitely worth your time. So stick around because later I'll show you how this platform quietly competes with ChatGPT, and in some ways it actually wins. We're going to go through how copy.ai works, explore the key features with an actual walkthrough, break down the pricing based on my own account, and then compare copy.ai with ChatGPT so you can decide which one fits your workflow better. So, what exactly is copy.ai? At its core, copy.ai is a business focused AI writing tool. It helps you generate content quickly, not just blogs, but cold emails, ad copy, product descriptions, and full marketing workflows that are surprisingly specific to your case. So here's where it starts to get interesting. Unlike general AI tools that give you like a blank canvas, copy.ai is loaded with structure. And I'll show you what I mean in just a few seconds. So everything inside the platform is organized into three main areas: workflows, chats, configurations. Whether you want to build content from scratch or lean into pre-built templates, copy.ai has a system for it. And the way it guides you through that process, that's where the magic kicks in. But more on that when we open the dashboard. Now let's break down the features that you actually use, starting with workflows and chat. So, what is a workflow in copy.ai? So think of it as a content automation sequence. You enter your product or brand info once, and copy.ai takes care of the structure, building out full messages, campaigns, or documents using predefined business logic. It's like giving your team a plug and play system, even if your team is just you. Now, here's a part that surprises most people: the chat isn't just a regular chatbot. Once you click into it, you'll notice the interface is clean, distraction free, and comes with preloaded prompt ideas like summarize the latest news on generative AI or write a press release about your product. But what really stands out are these three tools right below the message bar. Attach. This lets you upload files for the AI to read and reference. Imagine handing over a PDF or a report and asking the AI to summarize it or repurpose it. So no need to copy paste chunks of text. Browse of prompts. So this opens Copy AI full prompt library. So if you don't exactly know what to type, you can pick from ready-made ideas for product descriptions, emails, captions, and more. It's a major time saver. Next is no brand voice. So this means your content is currently being generated in a neutral tone. But once you create a custom brand voice, you can activate it here, and copy.ai will write everything in your chosen tone, whether that's bold and edgy or soft and conversational. And at the top, notice it's running on GPT 3.5 by default, but this changes with paid plans. I'll break that down in the next section because once you unlock higher tier models, things will get really powerful. Let's talk about pricing. And I'm showing you exactly what I see inside my dashboard so there's no confusion. So here's a quick breakdown. The free plan gives you one seat, 2,000 words in chat, and 200 bonus credits. It's great for testing the platform, and best of all, no credit card required. But what happens when you hit those limits? Keep watching. The starter plan is 36 per month, billed annually. You still get one seat, but now you have unlimited words in chat. You got access to more AI models and a smoother writing experience. But here's the one I see most teams are using: the advanced plan. It's 186 per month for 5 seats, unlimited words, and 2,000 workflow credits per month. If you're managing campaigns, handling client content, or building a content engine, this one gives you breathing room. There's also a custom enterprise plan, which is built for large teams. If you want things like unlimited seats, private info based access, or dedicated AI training, you'll need to speak with the copy.ai team. And one thing I noticed: every paid plan gives you brand voices, API access, AI workflows, and access to advanced models like GPT-4 and Cloud. And it's all integrated, so no need to switch tabs or manage different tools. All right, let's get into it. How does copy.ai compare to ChatGPT? So, most people know ChatGPT as the go to AI chatbot. You give it a prompt and it replies. It's flexible, creative, and fun to use. But here's where copy.ai wins: speed and structure. With ChatGPT, you start from scratch, no templates, no formatting, no automation unless you build it manually. With copy.ai, everything is guided. You want a cold email? There's a workflow for that. Want a blog outline, ad campaign, or SEO description? There's a prompt for that too. Even inside chat, copy.ai structures your content with labels like intro, hook, CTA, and more. That means less tweaking and more publishing. And here's a fun fact: if you're using copy.ai's paid plan, you don't just get GPT-4, you get access to multiple models, including Claude and others, all working behind the scenes. That's something ChatGPT doesn't offer natively. Well, at least not yet. So if you ever felt stuck with ChatGPT because you didn't know what to ask, copy.ai gives you a map, and sometimes that's exactly what you need to get results faster. So that's a full walkthrough of copy.ai, a writing tool that's more than just a chatbot. It's a system for anyone who wants to streamline content without sacrificing quality. Whether you're a solo creator or part of a growing team, copy.ai helps you create faster, write smarter, and stay consistent even when deadlines hit hard. And if you're still wondering whether it's worth trying, ask yourself this: how much time do you spend figuring out what to write before you even write it? Copy.ai gives that time back. If this video helped you out, hit like, subscribe for more AI walkthroughs, and let me know in the comments, would you switch from ChatGPT to copy.ai? Or would you use both? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.